In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Outlook. If you want an easy way to organize conversations, share messages with multiple people, and keep communication in one place, creating a group in Outlook is a great option. The process is very straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. To get started, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're on the main mail screen. On the lower left side of the interface, look for the grid icon. This icon opens the area where you can access additional Outlook apps and features. Go ahead and click that grid icon to continue. Once that menu opens, find and select Groups. This will take you to the Groups section in Outlook, where you can manage existing groups or create a new one. If this is your first time using this feature, don't worry if the layout feels a little different from the main inbox view. You're in the right place. Now, look for the Create button and click it. This starts the setup process for your new Outlook group. At this point, Outlook will ask you for the basic information needed to create the group. Next, type in your group name. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize the purpose of the group. For example, you might use a team name, a project name, or a name that reflects the people who will be part of it. A clear group name makes it easier to find later and helps members immediately understand what the group is for. After entering the group name, click Create again. Outlook will now generate the group and prepare it for members to be added. This is the point where the group itself is officially created, but it won't be very useful until you add the people who should be part of it. Now you'll be prompted to add members. Enter the people you want to include in the group, then click Add. As you do this, make sure you're selecting the correct contacts, especially if there are people with similar names in your address book. Adding the right members now helps avoid confusion later. Once the members are added, your Outlook group is ready to use. You can start sending messages, keeping discussions organized, and working with the group more efficiently inside Outlook. And that's all it takes to create a group in Outlook. It's a simple setup, but it can make collaboration much smoother, especially if you regularly communicate with the same team or group of people.